I decided to join the vet program because I really enjoy working with animals, and I don't know, I just like being active because not only do we work with animals, we work in agriculture. I plan on majoring in animal science and starting with the pre-vet studies. If you like animals and you're interested in doing things with animals, this program would be something for you. The thing that I like most about this program is probably going to the animal shelter, because we get to play with animals and interact with them and do things that we don't normally do, because usually we just do work, like paperwork. So when we get out and we actually work with the animals or groom the animals, we're getting that experience that we've been needing. You can soar anywhere in DeSoto ISD. I'm choosing to soar as a future veterinarian.